What's happening, guys? Here with my boy Rob. We're about to show you a test. We have the JP23 amplifier that we came out with. We got the bass knob right there. And we also have the Sundown preloaded enclosures teamed up with the Team Down for Sound Profab. So this is two Sundown SA series subs. We had them preloaded in this enclosure right here. So you can get this box, these two subs, and this amplifier right now for $8.99. So under $1,000 you can have a slamming system like this. We're gonna show you what it does. It's pretty impressive though. Check it out. All right, with the JP23 2000 watt amp, which is right here, the best 2000 watt amp on the market, it comes with this super fancy bass knob. It shows you voltage, shows you temperature, shows you protection, temp protect, and the clip light. So for $299 for this amp, you cannot beat it. All right, let's turn it up and see what this thing will do. We might even send it to Clip City. Should we send it to Clip City? All right, man, what do y'all think about it? I think it's getting down pretty nice for under $900. That's Slap City right there.